Greetings Academy viewers! Today we have pretty short insights on the notification and the gradebook settings of Tutor LMS respectively. These have a small but powerful number of tweaks to enrich your experience of Tutor LMS. So with that said, let's get started. Before we get started with notifications, we need to ensure a few things are enabled. First up, we go to the Addons from Tutor LMS tab and turn on the notification toggle. Beside the toggle, we can see that there's a little tooltip, and if we hover over the tooltip, it shows us the two things that we need to make sure is turned on or activated so that the notification add-on works as intended. So it says our site needs to have an updated SSL certificates and PHP extension GMP installed for our site. This can be performed from the cPanel of your site, so make sure that these two are ensured before you move on to the next steps. As for how you can have these activated, a quick Google search will have you figure out the rest. So once we're done with the setup, we can go ahead to the notification settings of Tutor LMS. All the settings here are very self-explanatory as they just give you a notification based on an event occurring. The notification can either be a push notification or an on-site notification or both. So let's go ahead and select on-site and push notification for the course enrolled event and take a look at what this looks like on the front end. So now we're on the front end, and let's say for example if we enroll into this course, because we have push notifications enabled, we can see a pop-up notification come up on our PC. As for the on-site notification, from the dashboard, all the notifications can be found in the bell icon right here. And that's basically the gist of how these settings work. All the other prompts behave in exactly the same way, the difference being that the notifications can either be for students, instructors, or admins. On to the next segment of this video, we have the gradebook settings. Before we begin, remember, the gradebook setting only shows up once you have enabled the add-on from the add-on tab of Tutor LMS. Once you get that done, gradebook will show up on your setting like this. So let's walk through the options here. To begin, the first toggle lets us use a point system instead of a lettered grade system when showing students their performance. Then we can turn on the GPA scale limit if you want to show the limit of GPA scales. So if your GPA scale limit is set to 4.0 and a student gets a 3.0, then they will see their final grade as 3.0 out of 4.0. After that, we can configure this setting to set the type of separator we want to separate our scores. And lastly, we can set the GPA scale limit. So whatever you set here for your students will be graded according to this scale. And there we have it. A short insight on the notifications and the gradebook settings of Tutor LMS. We hope that this was beneficial to you all. As always, be sure to let us know if you have any feedback, and we'll see you on the next one.